So this is group 11, and we did How Do Car Brakes Work? My name's Evan.
I'm Caitlin.
I'm Cheney.
I'm Zion.
I'm Suhail.
And for our explanation of how car brakes work, I guess we'll start with when applying a force to the brake pedal, the pedal pushes a lever which moves a piston inside a cylinder. The piston pushes the fluid into a smaller area so the fluid becomes pressurized. This pressurized fluid is then pushed along the brake lines and the fluid travels along the brake lines. The fluid pushes back on the brake pads, which creates a friction force to slow down the car.
According to Pascal's principle, a force applied to a confined fluid is transmitted in all directions throughout the fluid, regardless of the shape of the container. Effectively, this is shown in the system depicted in the image on the right. If the input piston is forced downwards, a pressure is created throughout the fluid, which acts equally at right angles to the surface in all parts of the system. A pressure is created by the force the driver applies to the pedal. This is over a small area. This pressure is then distributed over a larger area to the brake pads. Since it is a larger area but the same pressure, this creates a larger force that allows the car to stop.
So in conclusion, the car brakes work due to Pascal's principle. This law defines a pressure to be equally distributed when pressurized. In order to start stopping a car, the driver must push down on the pedal, which causes a piston to move inside a cylinder and then pushing the brake fluid through the brake lines.
This fluid is distributed evenly over brake pads, causing friction and therefore slowing down the car. Due to a smaller force applied by the driver, the pressure distribution of the brake fluids allows for a larger force to be created and stop a vehicle.